Now once you have your planning sheet finished for your woven hearts, we will begin weaving. So here I followed the directions. I planned out my heart using 2 or 3 parts for my pattern inside the heart with warm colors. So I picked 3 colors. I have pink, and then like a little bit darker pink and red. And then I colored that in a pattern inside the heart. So I go pink, dark pink, red, pink, dark pink, red. And I repeat that throughout the whole heart. And then I've decided on the background I want to use a cool color, and I picked green. Green is my favorite color, so that is why I wanted to do that one. Once this is all finished, then you're going to get some supplies. You are going to grab a carpet canvas, which is this woven material here. You're going to grab a heart that you can trace, and then you're going to put that on top of your portfolio because you're going to need a Sharpie to draw the heart shape on there. Now you want to do your best to try to center the heart inside the square. I am noticing that I have about 3 squares, 1, 2, 3 on each side. On the top and the bottom there are 2. There's 1, 2 on this one, and then there are 2 on the bottom. So now that I'm centered, I'm going to take my Sharpie. I'm going to outline this to mark where the heart should go on the carpet canvas. It's important to do this on your portfolio because as you go around your heart, you are also going through openings that will put marks on the table. So you want to make sure that you have this on top of your portfolio. Okay. And then once you have it all the way around, you can take it off. See how there's now a heart shape on there? And look at all the dots that would have gotten on the table if I hadn't put it on top of the portfolio. So now I'm ready to weave. Now that I have my heart drawn on my carpet canvas, I'm going to go back to my plan and I'm going to gather the supplies that I'll need to start weaving. We're going to begin with the weaving in the heart. So you want to go to the yarn bin and see what colors you can find. I found a pink, then I found a sparkly red, and then I found a darker red. So I don't have the exact colors that I used when I colored, but this is pretty close. So I'm going to go ahead and begin with my color that I have on top, which is a lighter pink. And I'm going to find the end. Here's the end. And then I'm going to measure 12 inches. So I just go from one edge of the ruler to the other, and then I'm going to cut. And then I can put the yarn back into the bin. Then I'm going to get my needle and I'm going to thread the yarn through the needle. And I like to use the fold, pinch, and wiggle method. So you take the tip of the needle and you fold the yarn over. And you're going to pinch it so it's nice and tight so you can hardly see it at all. And then you're going to wiggle. You see how I'm releasing my fingers, and at the same time I have my eye of the needle, the opening of the needle over, and then I release and it kind of slides right through. Now I have a loop. I want to pull that until I get just one string. Then I'm going to hang it like a necklace. I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to have my needle dangle in the middle. And now I'm ready to start weaving. I'm going to start with the top row. And I'm going to begin going over on the edge of the black. So I come up from the bottom and I go under. Over, under, over, under. Now I'm going to skip a couple because the heart has the part here that is part of the background. So I'm going to skip. So this is going to be, but I still have to keep track of where I am, so I keep my pattern. So this is over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And now that I have this all the way through on the heart, I'm then going to cut. So I turn this over and I put my scissors through the loop, let the needle hang down and snip. Then I can take the yarn off the needle. Now I'm ready to do my next color.